guys, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a really cute birthday card. I saw a few similar like short form videos on TikTok, Instagram. I recently made a card and one of them kind of stuck out to me. There was a lot that I actually liked, but one problem is I had a really hard time finding long form, quick and easy, cute birthday cards. So I figured I would make one that I made. I made it so I'm going to show you from start to finish how to make it. So you're going to need 2 pieces of paper, any colors. I'm using my slicer, a ruler, pencil, and some scissors, and then markers or pens if you want to decorate it. So to start, I'm going to make the shape of my card. So I just want to make this one a little smaller because it's a bit big for a card. And before I move on, I'm going to size my other piece of paper. I think that is perfect. This is the amount of border I was looking for because this is going to be the inside of the card. Okay, so once you have this piece measured out, your edges curved and nice and neat, now you really gotta focus, because I failed so many times when I was making this, and this is what every video does not show you. The card looks so easy to make, but this part really matters. Like if you mess up this part, like you can just fix the edges, you can just cut it a little shorter, but if you mess up this part, you're gonna have to redo everything, and it's annoying. Like my first attempt is, they didn't say to like leave some space. It came out straight. And the second one, it was like, I didn't make this part long enough, so then the cake just got like smaller and smaller, and it was just, take your time, because if you mess up one of these, it sucks. So, first, we're going to, if you take your time, you can just do this once. Okay, so first I'm going to just roughly measure this at 1 1/4 inches. So about here. And then this is where we're going to cut about I'm going to go 1 inch and 1 inch in. So we're going to go in, go in. And also you want to take your time, because you don't want these to be uneven. You're going to have an uneven cake. And that's even more important as we get to the next layers, because they're not going to be forgiving. Okay. We have our first cake layer. Here's the first one. And so the second one, so you can kind of feel, we're going to go 1 inch. So you can kind of feel it. And I'm going to kind of mark it. This is where our, actually I think I'm gonna go a little bit further up. You can kind of see, okay, that'll be good. Just, you can kind of peek and see where, like if I cut it to there, it'll sit like right there on the cake. You just want to make sure, because I'm telling you, it looked like crap. Mine did. I did it like 4 times, and I was like, okay, we're figuring this out. Okay. So this is 5 inches. So I'm going to go 3/4 of an inch in. Both sides. Just kind of look at it, make sure it looks straight, and then we're going to go in. You know, I'm just going to, for safety measures, make this line a little bit more definite. So to here, to here. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna fold up. And then from here, we're going to do the same thing. Oop, I hope that's good. I hope it's good. This part is so hard, you guys. Okay. It's so hard to make these even. But, okay, that is pretty good. Pretty good. See how it could be a little bit. I guess I'm just being picky, right? And it could be more even to the sides, but you know what? Let's just go with it. Looks good. Looks like a layered cake. Just like it's a little on the edge there. Okay, so we're gonna do it again. One more time. Okay. So we are at 3.5 inches. So I'm going to go, what was this? This was 1/2 inch. I'm gonna go another 1/2 inch in so that they're like all equally stacked. That might help us with our little situation. So make sure it's nice and even. So we're at 1 and like 1/4. So we got 1/2. It's about 1/2. So yeah, here and here. Just gonna check with our eyes. I think that is pretty even, I will say. Okay. And then we're going to go so this one. So we're just going to go a little bit below an inch right here. About, let's feel it. Let's see. Okay, that should be good, hopefully. Ta-da! That came out so good. got an easy part. Now that we got that done, because that's so hard, you may not believe me, we're going to take this piece of paper and we're going to glue it. You can do any design obviously, but just a quick tip is that, like, if you are using construction paper, whether you're decorating it with pen or whatever, maybe just test out what it looks like, because sometimes the ink can look different on different colors. Hey you guys, so this is the end result of the card. I really like it. I think some like little variations you can do is like instead I've seen people do like little like dripping frosting effect. Also, you know, writing happy birthday here. So yeah, I think it's really cute. You get the gist of it. The hard part is complete. And thank you guys so much for watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye.